we discuss more examples of metric spaces. Let A and B be two subsets of a metric spaces XD. Then prove that diameter of A union B is less than or equal to diameter of A plus diameter of B plus distance between A and B. We know by definition that diameter of A union B is given by a supremum of D of xy, where x and y belongs to A union B. Now let x and y be belonging to A union B arbitrary points. Then the following cases occur. First one is कि एक्स वाई बिलोंग्स टू दोनों के दोनों पॉइंट ए में आ जाएं या दोनों पॉइंट बी में आ जाएं या फिर एक एक्स ए से बिलोंग करे और वाई बी से बिलोंग करे या इसका उल्टा हो कि एक्स बी से बिलोंग करे और वाई ए से बिलोंग करे. तो वी डिस्कस ऑल द केसेस वन बाय वन. फर्स्ट केसेस जब दोनों पॉइंट ए में बिलोंग करें तो इट मींस d of xy will be less than or equal to diameter of a, means, and this is true for all xy, and so diameter of A union B is less than or equal to diameter of A, and this is less than or equal to diameter of A plus diameter of B plus distance between A and B. क्योंकि हम कुछ ना कुछ नॉन नेगेटिव क्वांटिटी यहाँ पे ऐड कर रहे हैं, घटा नहीं रहे, ऐड कर रहे हैं. सो दिस रिजल्ट इज ट्रू. एंड सेकेंड केस जब दोनों के दोनों पॉइंट्स x और y आपके बिलोंग करें B के अंदर, so as in case 1, diameter of A union B is less than or equal to diameter of B is less than or equal to diameter of A plus diameter of B plus distance between A and B. Now third case जब एक पॉइंट x A से बिलोंग करे और y B से बिलोंग करे, तो उस केस में लेट कर लेते हैं कि मान लो A कोई और पॉइंट है कैपिटल A का और B कोई और पॉइंट है कैपिटल B का. Then by triangle inequality what will happen? D of xy is less than or equal to D of xa plus D of ay. हमने x और y के बीच में कौन सा पॉइंट ले लिया? A पॉइंट ले लिया. ठीक है. Now this is same D of xa. अब A से फिर से ट्रायंगल इनइक्वालिटी लगाओ, A से B पे चले जाओ और B से Y पे. Now this is less than or equal to, क्योंकि दोनों पॉइंट x और A कहाँ बिलोंग करें? A में बिलोंग करें. It means this is less than or equal to diameter of A. And this is D of AB and दोनों पॉइंट ये कहां से आ रहे हैं? B से. So this is less than or equal to diameter of B. And this is true for all x and y belonging to AB and A belonging to A, B belonging to B. So we can take here infimum D of AB, A belongs to A and B belongs to B. And what is the definition of this? This is the definition of distance between A and B. So you will got D of xy is less than or equal to diameter of A plus D of AB plus diameter of B. Now take the supremum on both sides and you will get the result. Supremum of D of xy belonging to AB is less than or equal to the result, and so diameter of A union B is less than or equal to diameter of A plus D of AB and plus diameter of B. And fourth case is similar to case 3 and thus the result is true for all the cases. Note that if A intersection B is non-empty, then there exists at least one point x belonging to A union B. This implies x A में भी belong करेगा, x B में भी belong करेगा. It means distance between A and B means infimum must be 0. So उस केस में क्या होगा कि diameter of A union B equal हो जाएगा diameter of A plus diameter of B के. This is a particular case. Now bounded and unbounded metric spaces discuss कर रहे हैं. Suppose XD be a metric space, then it is said to be bounded if there exists a real number k such that D of xy is less than or equal to k for all xy belonging to x. Means diameter of x is less than or equal to k, means diameter of x is finite. For example, R with mode metric is not bounded. Why? Because R is the set open interval minus infinity to infinity. So its diameter becomes infinite and so it is unbounded metric space. But if we consider the subset closed interval 1, 4, then clearly with mode metric, then its diameter becomes 3 finite and so this is a bounded metric space. Now we consider discrete metric space. Discrete metric space is in which x is any set and D of xy is given by 0 for x equal to y and 1 for x is not equal to y. And D of xy is less than or equal to 1 here. क्योंकि यहाँ पे या तो 0 है या 1 है तो it means diameter less than 1 हो गया. It means discrete metric space is always a bounded metric space. Now we consider the example that any metric space XD bounded or not can be converted into a bounded metric space. How? By defining another another metric d star xy equal to d of xy equal to, solution is we discuss all the conditions. D star xy is equal to d of xy divided by 1 plus d of xy greater than or equal to 0. क्यों? क्योंकि d मीट्रिक है और d of xy greater than or equal to 0 है. Now second condition, d star xy is equal to 0 if and only if d of xy divided by 1 plus d of xy is equal to 0. Means if and only if numerator means d of xy is 0 means if and only if x is equal to y, and conversely if x is equal to y then d of xy is 0 क्योंकि d metric है, and this implies that d of xy by this is 0 and so d star xy must be 0. And now third condition, as d of xy is equal to d of yx by symmetry property of d, so जब d इक्वल है तो उस केस में d of xy divided by 1 plus d of xy must be equal to d of yx divided by d of 1 plus d of yx, and so means d star xy will be equal to d star yx. Now third property, to prove triangle inequality, this is the important one. We have to prove that d star xy is less than or equal to d star xz plus d star zy. Now d star xz plus d star zy की वैल्यू होगी क्या? That is d of xz 1 plus d of xz, and this is d of zy divided by 1 plus d of zy. Now take the LCM. What is the LCM? This is the product of these two, and इसको जब आप इससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे क्या आ जाएगा? d of xz plus d of xz into d of zy and plus d of zy into d of zy into d of xz. और नीचे क्या आ जाएगा डिनोमिनेटर में? कलेक्टिंग द टर्म्स, सिमेट्री प्रॉपर्टी वगैरह यूज करके टर्म्स कलेक्ट कर लो. दिस इज d of xz plus d of zy and plus 2 times d of xz plus d of zy. एक ये और एक ये, दो हो गया. और नीचे आप जब मल्टीप्लाई करोगे दिस इज 1 plus d of xz d of zy और 1 टाइम आएगा d of xz plus d of zy. अब ये जो प्रोडक्ट टर्म है इसको हम रिमूव करने वाले हैं. ऊपर 2 टाइम्स है और नीचे 1 टाइम है. जब हम ऊपर से 2 टाइम हटाएंगे, नीचे से 1 टाइम हटाएंगे, तो इट मींस ये पहले वाली जो क्वांटिटी है ये बड़ी है जो अब हम क्वांटिटी लिख रहे हैं उससे. सो हियर विल बी द साइन ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू, एंड दिस इज d of xz plus d of zy divided by 1 plus d of xz plus d of zy. And now d is a metric, so using triangle inequality what we have d of xy is less than or equal to d of xz plus d of zy. Take the reciprocal. When you take the reciprocal, inequality उल्टी हो जाएगी, less than का greater than or equal to हो जाएगा, and this is reciprocal. Now what will you do? Adding 1 on both sides. What happen? When you add 1 on both sides you have d of xy plus 1 greater than or equal to d of xz plus d of zy plus 1. Now take the LCM. This is 1 plus d of xy divided by d of xy greater than or equal to 1 plus, यहाँ पे भी आपने LCM ले लिया, 1 plus d of xz plus d of zy divided by d of xz plus d of zy. Now take the reciprocal again. When you take the reciprocal, inequality उल्टी हो जाएगी और ये आपके पास कुछ इस तरह का आ जाएगा. और what is the value of this? This is d star xy. ये सेम रखा है हमने, और जब आप 1 को यूज करोगे तो उस केस में दिस क्वांटिटी इज लेस देन और इक्वल टू d star xz plus d star zy, and this proves the triangle inequality. And so d star is also a metric on x, and so x d star is a metric space, and by definition of d star xy की वैल्यू है क्या? d of xy divided by 1 plus d of xy, and that is less than 1, क्योंकि जो न्यूमरेटर है वो कम है और डिनोमिनेटर ज्यादा है. So diameter of x becomes less than 1, and so x d star